Meghan's plan misfires.
French finally turn their back on Duchess after disgusting lies exposed. Royal fans, before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. A French magazine has questioned if Meghan Markle is dictatorial following claims a palace report on assertion she bullied staff has been buried. Gala magazine ran an article with the headline, "Tyrannical Meghan Markle?
These overwhelming discoveries that will never be revealed."
It comes after reports that the findings of an investigation into allegations the Duchess of Sussex bullied royal staff, which she denies, will never be published. Buckingham Palace no longer plans to make a public statement on the inquiry, according to the Sunday Times.
In the annual Sovereign Grant Report.
However, changes to the royal household's HR policies as a result of the investigation are expected to be published.
The move is reportedly aimed at limiting tensions between the Sussexes and the royals.
Before Meghan Markle and Prince Harry's Oprah Winfrey interview, Meghan's lawyers previously branded bullying statement, first reported in March 2021, as a calculated smudge campaign. Andrew Neil sparked fury as he shared an article outlining a series of unattractive qualities of Meghan Markle, with one user asking the former BBC presenter, "What is your problem with her?" The story, published in The Spectator on Monday, is entitled "The Unremarkable Meghan Markle." It scrutinizes the Duchess's visit to the memorial of the Texas school shooting, her and Prince Harry's supposed failure to deliver on promised multimedia projects, the impact she has had on her husband's life choices, including what the author calls his self-exile, and more.
Mr. Neil, who is chairman of The Spectator and has a political show on Channel 4, was questioned by social media users after he posted the feature, which sits in the culture section of the outlet's US edition, to Twitter.
One user calling themselves Norris said, "Seriously, what is your problem with her? Move on." Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comment. Thanks.